Hey, what's today's topic?
Today, we're exploring the power of kindness. Simple stories that teach big lessons. Kindness is one of the most powerful ways to connect, even when learning a new language.
Sounds interesting. Why is kindness so important?
Great question. When you're learning English, being kind to yourself and others helps you keep going. It builds confidence and opens doors to new friendships.
Can you share a story to explain?
Absolutely. Here's the first one. The lost wallet. A young woman found a wallet on the street and decided to return it without taking anything. The owner was so grateful, he invited her to coffee, and they became friends. This shows how a small, kind act can change someone's day, and sometimes their life.
Wow, that's inspiring. What's next?
Next story, the helping hand. A man struggling with English felt shy asking for help in a grocery store. A stranger noticed and offered assistance without hesitation. This kindness gave him the courage to practice English more often and meet new people.
It seems kindness helps learning too.
Exactly. Being kind creates a safe space to practice and make mistakes. Everyone learns better when they feel supported.
Do you have tips for showing kindness while learning English?
Yes. First, be patient with yourself. Celebrate small wins. Second, listen carefully when others speak. Third, offer simple compliments or smiles. Kindness is often about small gestures that make big differences.
What if I make mistakes when being kind in English?
Don't worry, mistakes are normal and part of learning. People appreciate your effort more than perfect grammar. Kindness crosses all language barriers.
Any final story to share?
Sure, here's the friendly note. A student left a thank you note for their English teacher. The teacher was touched and shared the story with the whole class. This simple act boosted everyone's spirit and motivation.
That's beautiful. How can listeners practice kindness today?
Try complimenting a friend, helping someone with English, or just smiling more. Even small kindnesses create a better learning community.
Thanks for these stories. I feel ready to be kinder and keep learning.
You're welcome. Remember, kindness is a powerful tool on your English journey. Keep practicing, keep smiling, and be kind to yourself and others.
See you next time. Please subscribe our channel, and if you learned something, please like the video.
Take care and keep spreading kindness.